Hello, my friends. One of the really nice and useful features on the WhatsApp application if you're a dedicated professional and frequently receive a substantial number of important messages, we are going to explore a very smart and efficient way that will genuinely allow you to comprehensively display and carefully read all of your incoming messages without any exception whatsoever. This method works on WhatsApp Business as well as regular WhatsApp, and it also works on both iPhone and Android devices. We'll demonstrate the explanation on regular WhatsApp. Then you will need to carefully tap right here on this specific area. After that, you should proceed to tap on this particular option, which is clearly labeled as Unread. This is a very important first step. If this happens to be your very first time watching this video, please pay close attention. Don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with friends and family. I'd really appreciate it. Here in this particular section, all the incoming chats and messages that you haven't yet had the chance to read or review will clearly appear, and you can conveniently view each and every one of them right here within this interface. If you've successfully made it to this specific point in our discussion, please don't forget to thoroughly check out this incredibly useful and informative playlist. It's a specially curated playlist that features a collection of valuable WhatsApp tutorials. You'll undoubtedly find many important and practical tutorials there that you will surely like and greatly benefit from. Goodbye, my friends.